សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះពួកយើងនឹងរៀនតែងល្បះទាក់ទងនឹងលុយសន្សំ
Save. Save.
ខ្ញុំសន្សំលុយបានបន្តិចបន្តួច
I save a little money. I save a little money.
ខ្ញុំកំពុងសន្សំលុយដើម្បីទិញនាឡិកាមួយ
I'm saving money to buy a watch. I'm saving money to buy a watch.
ចំណាយចាយ
Spend. Spend.
គាត់ចំណាយប្រាក់ច្រើន
He spends a lot of money. He spends a lot of money.
តើអ្នកចាយលុយអស់ប៉ុន្មានថ្ងៃនេះ
How much money did you spend today? How much money did you spend today?
ខ្ចី
Borrow. Borrow.
តើខ្ញុំអាចខ្ចី10000រៀលសិនបានទេ
Can I borrow 10,000 riels? Can I borrow 10,000 riels?
ហេតុអ្វីបានជាអ្នកខ្ចីលុយពីធនាគារ
Why did you borrow money from the bank? Why did you borrow money from the bank?
ឲ្យខ្ចី
Lend. Lend.
តើអ្នកអាចឲ្យខ្ញុំខ្ចីលុយខ្លះសិនបានទេ
Could you lend me some money? Could you lend me some money?
អ្នកមិនគួរឲ្យគាត់ខ្ចីលុយច្រើនទេ
You shouldn't lend him a lot of money. You shouldn't lend him a lot of money.
ជំពាក់
Oh. Oh.
តើខ្ញុំជំពាក់អ្នកប៉ុន្មាន
How much do I owe you? How much do I owe you?
អ្នកនៅជំពាក់ខ្ញុំ$20
You still owe me $20. You still owe me $20.
សងវិញ
Pay back. Pay back.
ខ្ញុំនឹងសងអ្នកវិញនៅថ្ងៃស្អែក
I'll pay you back tomorrow. I'll pay you back tomorrow.
នាងខ្ចីលុយតែមិនដែលសងវិញទេ
She borrows money but never pays back. She borrows money but never pays back.
បង ចេញលុយ
Pay. Pay.
សូមអត់ទោសអ្នកមិនទាន់បានបង់ប្រាក់ទេ
Excuse me, you didn't pay yet. Excuse me, you didn't pay yet.
ខ្ញុំនឹងចេញលុយឲ្យអ្នក
I'll pay for you. I'll pay for you.
រកបាន
Earn. Earn.
តើអ្នករកលុយបានច្រើនទេ
Do you earn much money? Do you earn much money?
ខ្ញុំរកបានតែបន្តិចបន្តួចប៉ុណ្ណោះ
I only earn a little. I only earn a little.
សូមអរគុណអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាដែលបានមើលវីដេអូនេះជួបគ្នាពេលក្រោយ